What's up, my deal hunting squad? Best Products back at it again with this year's hottest Amazon Black Friday deals that you absolutely cannot miss out on. Make sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing if you want to stay up to date on all the latest tech discounts. Alright, let's get right into deal number 1. At just $169, the Ninja Foodie Smart Oven is an air frying beast that will revolutionize your kitchen. With 13 cooking functions, a huge capacity, and a smart thermometer, you'll be cooking restaurant quality meals in no time. The 48% discount makes this a steal. You cannot pass up. Up next, we have the rugged Garmin Instinct GPS watch that is perfect for all your outdoor adventures. For just $168, after a 33% discount, you get a stylish watch packed with features like location tracking, altitude readings, a compass, weather updates, and more. Don't get lost in the wilderness again, my dudes. Coming in at number 3 is the Ninja Professional Blender, which usually costs $100, but is now just $59.99 after a whopping 40% price cut. With a powerful 1,000-watt motor and total crushing blades, this bad boy can pulverize anything you throw at it in seconds. That family-size 72 ounces pitcher will have you making smoothies for the whole squad. The number 4 best deal is on the Yeti Rambler Mug, which keeps drinks hot or cold for hours. It's a fan favorite, and at the discounted price of $21 after 30% off, this rugged stainless steel mug is an absolute steal. Stay hydrated in style, my friends. If you're a coffee lover like me, then the number 5 DeLonghi Espresso machine deal will have you doing backflips. It can make rich creamy espresso and frothy cappuccinos with its 15 bars pump and swivel jet frother. The $129.99 price after a 35% discount means no more overpriced takeout coffee for us. Up next, at number 6, we have the super sleek Fitbit Lux fitness tracker that can now be yours for just $79.95 after a steep 38% discount. With 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep and amp, stress monitoring, and a ton of other features, hitting your health goals will be a breeze. And finally, deal number 7. Get the powerful Bissell Spot Clean Pro Carpet Cleaner for just $79.99 after a 40% drop in price. This bad boy uses heat and strong suction to get rid of the absolute toughest stains from carpets and upholstery. No more ruined rugs. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 discounted Amazon tech products for this Black Friday. Grab these deals now before the discounts disappear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which gadget you're buying this year. Until next time, this is Best Products signing off. Peace!